Okay, Christian, you put them some salt.
Give it a little skip.
Ooh, now mixed.
Oh. Today I'm gonna have a surprise.
Christine been good all year, so she did give a surprise. Christine, all yours. Open it.
Cool. I want to open it up.
Who's having a baby? More babies! Oh my!
There's the mommy. Hi, little guy.
All right, so let's see what else.
We put it inside. Let's open these up too.
Yeah.
A brushie.
So have you rescued twins? Yeah, twins and triplets. They are triplets. Yeah, there are 3 of them. So what do we have to do next? You have to blow dry them. You on the blow dryer?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going in the house to get the blow dryer for you to blow them.
Cool.
So you have to check out, like in the warm water, if they are boy or girls.
Is it a boy or a girl?
This is a boy, you see, it's turning
I
out
think this
blue.
is a girl.
Yeah, it's a girl and this is a boy. Stop.
It's a girl.
That's like a hold like
Isn't it cool?
that. And see this one.
It's already dry, that one.
Oh, it's dry. Sorry, little baby. I don't know. This one? What is this one? Look, it's breathing.
Cool. It's a girl. It's a girl.
It's a girl?
Yeah. The height.
It's mommy.
This is a mommy.
Okay, do you want to open the number 3?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can't believe it.
Ah, it's having a leash.
But okay, so what it is from the mommy?
Ah, the mommy got a leash.
She got a leash? No. It's,
I believe we have to dry her first.
yeah. It's like-
She's a bit
let's
wet.
see what this.
Yeah, let's open one of them.
Looks like a treasure map.
Oh, it's a birth certificate.
If you hug them, Name them names.
Oh, you have to name them.
This one is Cuddly and Sparkles and Shiny.
A nice name to choose for them.
Let's open number 5.
Okay, let's open number 5.
Ooh, a bottle.
You have to feed them. They are very hungry.
They get hungry. Let's feed them. I think they're. There's 2. Let's open number 6.
Oh, they have dresses to dress them up.
Oh yeah, they have dresses. There's stickers. Stickers.
They are cute.
Wow. 140 phony.
Yes, put one in mine.
On the phone.
Thank you. Put one in your dress too. Can I put one in your dress? Okay, come here. So you have to put the stickers inside the heart. There's actually pictures with them when they are newborn.
I guess this one.
Let's blow dry them, see how they come out.
I'm putting this one in. Look at this. This is so cute. I think this one looks gooder.
Yeah. Okay, do you want to give them a proper bath? You can put some soap on it.
Yeah.
Okay, Christian, to put them some soap.
Give it a little skip.
Ooh, now mixed.
Oh, bubbles. I will put them in my bed carefully.
Oh, yeah. Okay, but first we have to wash them good. Look, they enjoy it. She's jumping! Make her jump again. Oh my, she splashed all over the place. What's wrong with her?
Where's the